You will speak English with me. We will have a conversation where one line will be mine and the next one will be yours. I am gonna say my line, and then you will read your line from the screen, out loud, as if you are answering me, and then vice versa. Today's dialogue will take place in a supermarket between a customer and cashier at checkout counter. Let's start. You start first. I appreciate you letting me know. Let me take a look. I see the issue. The shelf tag indicates $49.99, but it's scanning at $59.99. I understand. I'm sorry for the confusion. Let me adjust the price for you. Your new total is $49.99. No problem at all. Sometimes mistakes happen, and we want to make it right for our customers. By the way, have you found everything else you were looking for today? I totally understand your concern. In fact, as a gesture of goodwill for the inconvenience, let me apply a 10% discount to your entire purchase today. We want our customers to have a positive experience, and this is the least we can do. Additionally, if you're interested, we have a customer feedback program. Your input could help us improve our processes. Great! You'll find a survey link at the bottom of your receipt. Your thoughts are valuable to us. Also, how would you like to pay for your purchase today? Perfect. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and insert your card into the chip reader. It should prompt you from there. Absolutely, and thank you for your understanding. If there's anything else we can do for you, just let us know. Enjoy the rest of your day. Great job. Now I start first.
Hi there, I wanted to bring something to your attention. It is showing up as a different price than what I saw on the shelf for this blender. Exactly. I just want to make sure I'm charged the correct amount. Thank you for addressing that. I appreciate it.
Yes, I have. Thank you for asking. I just hope this price discrepancy is a one-time thing. Oh, that's very kind of you. I appreciate that. Sure, I'd be happy to provide feedback. How does that work? I'll use my credit card, please. Got it. Thanks again for your assistance.